Hi everyone. I hope everyone is feeling good and doing well this morning. I just wanted to give you a quick little tutorial of SeeSaw in case you were unfamiliar with it. I know some of you guys used it in second grade, so this may not be needed, but I know a lot of you do not know what SeeSaw is. I went ahead and made a class for us. You can find your name on the right-hand side. I've already showed you how to log in, so everyone should be logged in. I'm currently logged in as Daisy so that I can show you what it looks like on your end. This is our class journal, and if you would like to add something, go ahead and click the Add Something button. And then they give you some options. You can take a picture using your iPad right now, like a live photo. You can also upload a photo or video that you've taken previously. You can draw a picture, you can write a note, you can take a video, and you can also add a link from a website. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you a drawing really quick. You can also record yourself as you draw. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to draw right now. You have lots of different markers and different colors. So if I wanted to just draw a quick little picture for you guys, I can trash it, I can get rid of it, I can do some text, I can add a photo, I can record my voice over it. And whenever you're done with everything, you can go over here to this green check mark and hit OK. And then, as you can see, it says waiting for teacher approval. Every time you try to post something, whether it's a picture or if you're trying to comment on someone else's, it will ask for my approval, and I will be looking through my emails to approve those as they come in, just to be sure that nothing inappropriate is coming in. And after it's approved, then everyone in the class can see it. So once everyone in the class can see it, you'll be on your class journal. And you can comment on it, you can like it. Just be sure that they are appropriate, they're kind. Again, I have to approve the comments, and so I will be reading them before anyone in your class is reading them. So this is just going to be a way that we can communicate with each other and collaborate as a class now that we are at home doing our schoolwork at home. I will also be posting certain activities on here for you to complete, and you'll get further directions on your weekly assignment page of assignments that you need to complete on SeeSaw. Sometimes I'll be having you take a video of things or recording yourself talking. Sometimes it's just going to be a picture. Sometimes it'll be multiple pictures. And we'll get to more instruction on that once I show you some lesson plans. So I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what SeeSaw is, how it works. Try and get logged on pretty soon, because on Monday we're going to start making these, having assignments having to do with SeeSaw, and I would like you to start communicating with your class. So I hope all is well, and we will talk to you soon.